Hi everyone. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I created a template to make my life easier. This is a postcard that I made up for a show. The client wants me to change the postcard every month with a different color curtain and different stars in the squares. So I won't do one that's this complicated, but I want to show you how I went about it to make my life easier. So let's get rid of that, and I'm going to just show you the background curtain. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a new layer and create a box where I think one of the pictures might go, and I will give it a color. I'll give it a color red just for now, and then I'll deselect. And I will duplicate that 3 times for the sake of this tutorial. So that's the first one, and the second one will go right here maybe, and the third one will go up here. Let's move it. Let me lock the curtain for now and move these up a little higher. Whoops, sorry. And we'll move these up a little higher. So this is just a quick example on how I create the template. So the first thing I'm going to do is pick the first one. I'm going to command click to create a selection, and I will go right down here on the bottom and create a layer mask, and then I'm going to deselect, and I will do the same thing for each of those. I'll command click and create a layer mask, and then deselect, and then command click and create a layer mask. Whoops, sorry about that. Undo that and hold that, get to that, and now I'll create a layer mask and then deselect. So now I need to bring in some photos. So let's go right to the top. I'll bring in the first photo. Let's see, I think I'll just place it. I'll just take one of the pictures. So let's take this one and say open, and I'll just drag here. Okay, so now we can drag that photo right below, and now we can move that photo anywhere we want, and that's how the first one is picked. And we could do the same with all of them. We could do place. Let's find the next one, say open, and we're going to place her somewhere like here. Drag her right down here under the mask. And then one last one. File, place. You can also copy and paste it, but I'm just placing it for now. Let's try this person. And I don't know, like that. This one has a lot of black, so I'll make it really large. Place her under there. And then I can just size her where I feel she could fit in there. And there you have it. So now you can just have them all grouped. You can put their names if you'd like, or photograph 1, photograph 2, photograph 2, 3. You can name them any way you want. And then all I have to do when I want to change the color of this is I go into adjustments and hue and saturation. And maybe the following month I'm doing a purple curtain, or maybe I'm doing a, let's see, let's try for a red curtain. And I can just lower the opacity, make it darker, lighter. And so that's it. So that's how you create a template. All your pictures will stay exactly where they are, and every single time that you do it, the format will stay the same. Then you can always add your text. You can also have text in right from the beginning and then just click on it and edit the text. So if you like this tutorial, please click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.